Hi, everyone. Today we're going to be talking about Rosetta Stone. It's a pretty intuitive app and website to use for learning languages, as we've been discussing this week. So, it's a language immersion subscription program that's accessible via their website or their mobile app, and it allows you to learn up to 24 languages. Rosetta Stone allows learners to apply their knowledge in the real world by creating everyday scenarios to practice. You can learn languages such as Arabic, Mandarin, Dutch, English, English but with the British accent, Filipino, and all that other stuff that you could see there. So the origins of the Rosetta Stone. So in case you don't know, the Rosetta Stone itself was this giant slab of stone that a bunch of Egyptian clergymen and rulers wrote a decree on it, and it was pretty much it served as a way for researchers to decode Egyptian hieroglyphics. So that's kind of the explanation behind the name for this website. The Rosetta Stone app, the language learning app, it was founded in 1992 in Virginia. Its slogan is "The more you understand, the more interesting it gets," which is definitely true for a lot of things. Their mission is to build an engine for people learning languages, not just native speakers. This is why Rosetta Stone is constantly working on new resources by drawing from their 25 years of experience. The linguists and product developers at Rosetta Stone found that no other program on the market sufficiently addressed the development of accents, which really plays a big role. It's that sentence right there. It's really about saying the words properly with the correct pronunciations in the language. And sometimes I feel like I can't even speak English. I might need it for that. All right, the benefits of Rosetta Stone. It offers quick lessons and ways to perfect your pronunciation. It aims to be a full immersion experience where all skills are trained through listening and image matching exercises, and their advanced true accent speech recognition technology. There are also language training program options for enterprises and schools, and more educational information. It's a more educational, informational, and holistic than free alternatives, one of those being Duolingo, which was discussed on Monday. So the main features of the program include true accent, which we discussed on the slide before. It really allows you to perfect your pronunciation. It's their patented speech recognition technology. Rosetta Stone allows offline mobility, so if you're not connected to Wi-Fi or anything, you can still keep practicing. And as it should offer translations, just in case you get stuck while you're reading through your lessons, you can definitely use the long press gesture to view the words in your native language. All right, so the subscription fees. You can select a specific language or unlimited languages you would like to learn. Currently, a lifetime subscription with access to all 24 languages is on sale for just $179 USD. And then in this little graphic right here, you can see there's three options. There's a 3-month period, 12-month period, or a lifetime. And that lifetime gives you unlimited languages. There is also a physical package that you can buy off of Amazon. Um, it's similar to buying directly from the website, but there's packs for different languages and different time frames. For example, you're able to buy a 12-month subscription for unlimited languages or an unlimited subscription for a specific language. You can purchase the pack for lifetime access as well as for all 24 languages. Yeah, that makes sense because if you're purchasing a book, no one could take it away from you after 3 months. Some of the packs come with grammar guides and dictionary book sets as well. So that's a good benefit right there. Compatibility. Rosetta Stone can be accessed by computers via the website rosettastone.com or for mobile devices, smartphones, and tablets. And you would download the app. And it also works with Apple devices, including the Apple Watch, Android devices, and Samsung devices. All right, downloading the app is pretty simple. It's the same way you would download it with any other app. You would just go to the App Store or Google Play Store, whichever smartphone or tablet you have, and there you would just go to the App Store, search it up, and go through the whole downloading process. There are quick lessons and ways to perfect your pronunciation through 10-minute lessons on the app. All right, creating an account is also pretty easy. From the website at rosettastone.com, you would select the language you would like to learn from the drop down menu, then select Join Now. After that, it will take you to a page where you get to choose the subscription you'd prefer. And you can choose, as we said, from the 3 months, 12 months, or lifetime subscriptions. And then you would click a button that says Get Started. All right, after that, you will go through the whole payment process. It is a secure checkout, so you don't have to worry about your credit card info being taken. You will then need to input your financial information. And when you're done, click Place Your Order to complete the transaction. All right, creating an account on the mobile app is pretty much the same thing. You would just select the language you'd like to learn, and if you already created an account, just because you're cool like that, you would just click sign in. All right, so you would enter your name and a reliable password with 6 or more characters. One thing to note is that you do not want to include special characters like a spacebar because it just doesn't allow it. And then select your country. On the third box in the diagram, there's a notification button. So that's actually really helpful. If you're using the smartphone app and you enable notifications from Rosetta Stone, it will give you deals and exclusive products. And I'm sure Rosetta Stone offers little like reminders to remind you to practice. All right, so signing in. Once you've created an account, you can sign in. Click the sign in button in the top right corner of the website's homepage to start learning a language of choice. All right, they also offer a free demo. If you want to give the program a try before purchasing it, you can try a free demo of the website here. And I was trying it earlier. I believe they give you 3 days to use it. So we're going to show you guys that at the very end of this presentation. So in order to access the free demo, you would click on the link to get to the free demo page. You would select your language of choice. They only give you 5 options, which are like the real popular ones like French, German, Spanish, some other two. I kind of forgot English, I'm sure. And then you would click start your free demo, and no payments required, so you don't need to put in your credit card info. So exploring the website, it's pretty easy. There's not really a lot to go over here. It's like there's a button right at the beginning on the home page where you could select a language and get started right away. So there's not really much I need to go over here. Right. On this website, you can see we're giving you a little taste of what it looks like to do a lesson. You can see that it gives you multiple pictures to support that visual learning, and it also gives you the words in the other language. And this specific exercise is an image matching exercise. So you would match the image to the corresponding word at the top. And you can also see that there's a little green speaker button next to some of the pictures, and that allows you to hear what the words would sound like. All right, and Rosetta Stone does offer a help center, a digital help center. So if you just type in Rosetta Stone support in Google, you'll find this website pretty easily. It gives you a lot of commonly asked questions, such as why isn't my CD or download product working, stuff like this. You can read through it. But yeah, just in case you ever need help, there's a web page there for you. So Rosetta Stone also does have a YouTube channel, which is pretty cool. You get to learn about different cultures with videos by native speakers, teaching their language along and sharing cultural celebrations. So now we are going to do a live demo of Rosetta Stone. So for this live demo, we're just going to go through that little free demonstration website that I mentioned before. So I'm just going to type in rosettastone.com. So once you get to the home page on rosettastone.com, you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom. This right here is I believe is the free demo page. Okay, cool. Let's try this. All right. So we finally made it to the free demo. We're gonna be learning Spanish in the Latin American version today, everybody. So get ready. All right. I think I'm like an intermediate. I'm not bad with Spanish, but I could use a little work. Why are you learning Spanish? Let's do basics and beyond. You can see already that the website is pretty it's very user friendly. It's not like there's words everywhere. It seems pretty easy to use, and it's the colors are just nice enough to keep you engaged. All right, so we're gonna start a core lesson. I am okay. Okay. Um, I'm not gonna go through this whole thing, but you guys kind of get a sense of what it's like to just start a lesson. And then that's it for the free demo. I'm just gonna show you how to sign up for a subscription. All right, so this is what I was doing earlier. Just look up rosettastone.com. On the homepage, you'll get to choose from any of the 25 languages. We'll try something else. Let's do English in a British accent. All right, you would click join now, and then it will take you to the selection page for the the subscription plan. Let's say we want to do a lifetime. You just click get started, and then it will take you to the payment page. Right. But other than that, that's all we have for you guys today.